Dear RT Thread fans, this is Liu Lin from NXP's Secure Connected Edge Mass Market team. It's a great honor to be here with you. My topic for today will cover NXP's MCX microcontroller and how the different product series benefit the broad industrial and IoT applications. Also, I will introduce the accomplishment in software development and the campaigns with RT Thread this year. So with technology continue to evolve, the complexity of our edge device has been increased a lot. Unlike devices in the past only does very basic control, now our home appliances industrial systems has higher requirement on core performance, quality, longevity, as well as in need of more intelligence processing capability, and security and also connectivity. Sometimes even they require edge artificial intelligence. To address these requirements, the world actually needs microcontroller to be more scalable to reach higher processing efficiency while still keep ultra low power consumption. This is why NXP has created the MCX microcontroller portfolio to extend our legacy of LPC and Kinetics MCUs together with NXP's expertise in different technologies to provide an easy path for broad industrial and IoT market. NXP has probably one of the broadest microcontroller and processor combination in the industry. We have the MCX MCUs, and that's what we are going to focus today. We also have high-frequency core with real-time operation capability product. We call them the crossover MCUs. This is the i.MX RT series. But for application that requires Linux or Android or need higher processing, NXP has the i.MX applications processor portfolio. All these offerings are designed under NXP's total quality mindset and provide 10 to 15 year longevity for extension of product lifecycle. We also empower these products with technology IPs to make them suitable in some niche market. And the MCU and MPU can also work together with NXP's security element, wireless offerings, analog transceivers, sensors for system solution design. Now here is an overview of our MCX MCU portfolio. As mentioned, this is a very well-positioned MCU combination with subfamilies focusing on various needs in real application. We provide entry-level Cortex-M0 Plus based MCX-C, which is our low-cost offering. We also have MCX-L in development with very unique IP for ultra-low power performance. We also provide MCX-A series, which is a highly scalable, cost-effective mainstream MCU with numerous peripheral and package offerings. We also have the MCX-W, which is a series capable of multi-protocol wireless connectivity. MCX-E, it is what we will introduce and launch in this summer to address the industrial need of functional safety and extend our 5-volt MCU offering. Finally, also is our first MCX in the market. This is MCX-N series. It is a high-performance dual-core MCU with integrated neural processing units for edge AI acceleration. Now it's time for a quick tour on highlights of each series. First and foremost is our first MCX. This is the MCX-N series. It features dual-core Cortex-M33 with 150 MHz frequency and also integrates for the first time NXP's EIQ NPU. It also has rich analog offerings, low power peripherals, and also advanced security. This is an overview of the current offerings in MCX-N, which are all in production now. Although we have things like the MCX-N94, who escalates the performance to the next level, there is still offerings like MCX-N23, which is a single-core offering for a customer to choose. So how does the MCX-N address edge AI application? The integrated EIQ NPU is developed by NXP itself. This NPU is designed to fit application scenario on microcontroller. It can effectively accelerate machine learning calculation by 40 times compared with Cortex M33 single core. However, it still keeps the MCU level low energy. Together with NXP's EIQ software kit, we provide various demos and examples that has already been published around voice recognition, image recognition, maybe anomaly detection, and so on, which brings AI to the edge and enable the real-time action. So MCX and another key feature is it integrates our edgelock secure enclave. This is a set of security function provided by NXP, not only about the Cortex M33 core's trust zone capability, but also secure boot, lifecycle management, cryptography acceleration, physical and clonable function, key management, and so on. To fit the use case of upgrading from legacy equipment for security authenticated application scenario, which may be in industrial control, smart home devices, and so on. So another one, MCXA. This is our highly scalable MCU platform to fit thousands of applications in the world. It features a high efficient Cortex M33 core with math acceleration. It integrates wide choice of communication interfaces, including USB, SPI, I2C, I3C, UART, Flex IO, CAN-FD. It provides high precision analog capability and essential security functions. This series probably has the largest set of part number choices in MCX to cover different combo of interface, core frequency, and package choices. So here is the subfamily options overview of what's already in production. And in this summer, we are also bringing more subfamilies into the market for MCXA with richer integration of features to expand this subfamily into a more complete set of industrial and IoT mainstream platform. So stay tuned for more announcement from NXP very soon. So we know the word speaks analog, and MCXA is actually good at being the translator of it. The M33 core is very power efficient and also can achieve very outstanding power performance with RAM retention. This integrated ADC as well is very powerful to provide 3.2 megasample per second at 16-bit, or it can even provide 4 megasample per second with 12-bit resolution. Combined with the peripherals, MCXA is good at mixed signal processing to fit itself into industrial automation, smart home, and general embedded applications. And it also has a motor control subsystem. It includes the math acceleration unit within MCXA. So customer could greatly shorten the control loop for FOC. This is empowered by the high-speed, high-resolution ADC, as mentioned above, and also NXP's advanced FOC algorithm delivered within the SDK. So we say that MCXA is very suitable as well to do cost-effective motor control with easy-to-use tools provided by NXP. So now let's turn our attention to MCXC, which is at the entry level of embedded designs. It features M0 Plus core with broad package choices, especially very small and compact ones. Although this series is considered as entry level, it still integrates 16-bit high-speed ADC. Also, it has a USB interface and segment LCD interface. So NXP has 4 subfamilies that are in production with MCXC, including a really essential feature combination and high integration offerings. So all of these above mentioned features makes the MCXC one of the best replacement choice for customer to upgrade from a traditional 8-bit and 16-bit MCUs. Now with MCX-C, it is possible to achieve much higher processing efficiency with Cortex M0 Plus at a very low pricing level. The core market efficiency for MCX-C is at least 2 times than a traditional 8-bit, not to mention the smaller code size, easier development journey, and simpler upgrade path. MCX-C could take over your outdated MCUs in massive range of embedded tools, meters, sensor node, control devices. Now let's talk about MCX-E. This is a new family that even on RT Thread events, this is the first time we mention it. It is a very unique product series to address industrial need for functional safety, as well as provide an option for 5-volt robust application, such as appliances and power tools. MCX-E is the first and only MCU family in MCX portfolio to support up to 5.5 volt supply. It provides functional safety certification with program flow monitoring, storage interface protection, error reporting. NXP is also, so we are officially launching the MCX-E series and its first subfamily, which is the E24, in this summer. Now let's switch gear to MCX-L. So this series is coming in later this year. It has a very unique ultra low power focused technology called adaptive dynamic voltage control. This allows the device to run at the near threshold core voltage, combined with the heterogeneous core architecture. The active and always-on power consumption data for MCX-L is very outstanding. So this device enables VDD control according to the environmental condition and the use case. The near threshold voltage could be down to 0.6 volt, which is a 45 reduction of power compared to normal core voltage. It makes the MCX-L suitable for battery power devices with the need of always-on sensing. So finally, we'll talk about MCX-W series. It is our multi-protocol wireless offering. MCX-W supports Matter, Zigbee, Bluetooth, Thread, and can run applications that need all of these wireless technology, but with security requirements. So MCX-W71 is now in production. However, NXP is also launching more MCX-W subfamilies. For example, MCX-W72. This subfamily features Bluetooth channel sounding. So maybe some of you knows NXP has very deep engagement with Matter enablement. With the Bluetooth channel sounding introduced together with MCX-W72 in this year, the subfamily will be capable of realizing 0.5 meter accuracy using time of flight and round-trip phase. Okay, by now, we talked all of these MCX subfamilies. So here is a table to summarize what they are about and also some key takeaways for customers' product selection. For example, MCX-N, it is the best fit for multimedia, edge machine learning, and then followed by the MCX-A, which is a mainstream offering for real-time control. Also, MCX-C focused on 8-bit, 16-bit replacement entry level, and MCX-L stands for ultra-low power for wearable and metering, and also MCX-E for robust control functional safety, MCX-W for wireless connectivity. Okay, so, but MCU, is never just about the MCU itself. It is also a reflection of the brand's core concept. So looking beyond the product with NXP, The chip you bought is not just a microcontroller, it is also an assurance of 15-year longevity, a promise of keeping functioning in a highly extended industrial temperature range. It is also about flexibility of cross-continental manufacturing, which is especially important in today's economic situation. So this is one of the example for NXP's innovative technology to benefit customer design. This talks about a new HD QFP package option that could simplify the package portfolio by offering higher I/O density compared with traditional QFP. Also, NXP's total quality concept of working enables competitive delivery performance, lead time flexibility, and top-class manufacturer quality. From developer experience perspective, NXP provides a free of charge MCU Expresso IDE or its VS Code extension. Rich example of in SDK. Also, we support third-party IDEs. We also have special experts to support RT Thread specifically, including the BSP creation and maintenance to create easy and quick get started experience for you. Then from the hardware development perspective, NXP has introduced the Freedom development platform, which is a highly scalable, expandable system with ready-to-use software examples and also hardware expansion modules options. So, as extension of NXP's long-term partnership with RT Thread, based on the MCX, MCU, and the Freedom Development Board, in this year we have accomplished multiple BSP support on our new product, including ready-to-use development guide and ebook. We also host on-site webinars and live streaming and technical white papers issued. Just in the past 2 months, NXP together with RT Thread has delivered our MCX-A and Freedom Lab tool in the 3 major cities in China. On the community now, we see increasingly high-quality development content for MCX-N and MCX-A series. The number of articles is also likely to surge continuously. And on NXP's social media platform, we also delivered the collaborative content with RT Thread for developers who cannot make to our on-site workshops. And finally, this is part of our on-site workshop. This is a demo that's included in our on-site workshop, which is pretty interesting for sharing. So this is a Freedom MCX-N board together with RT Thread wireless module, connecting to the cloud and serves as a large language model terminal. It brings high density of intelligence to the edge, and it is code ready for anyone who to deploy within probably 5 minutes. Very exciting projects like this will be continuously brought up in NXP's and RT Thread partnership events and workshops in the future. So together with RT Thread and together with each one of you, we truly believe that we can make the future of intelligence brighter together. Thank you very much.